Ugh. No. Don't cut me, please.
I'm afraid I will cut your ear.
No.
I don't know how to cut it.
Ouch. Ow. I trust everything you do.
I think you look younger now. Yeah, I cut it too much. Bands in front.
I love you. Mile man every quarter. Superman. Mile man every quarter. Superman.
Which one you want me to use? Small one, big one?
Not the small one, not the big one. Which one is this? Is this the medium one?
Yes.
Do I get candy when we're done?
Candy?
Yeah, I want a candy bar when we're done.
Yes. I don't know why this is my first time using it. How to put it? So I do like this.
Ow.
Oh! Sorry.
Told me you know how to cut hair.
I only know cutting my bands. Do I use this?
Grab the long one then. Let's see. Ouch.
Hurt?
Yes, you gotta turn it on.
Maybe I'll just use scissors to cut your hair. I don't know how to use this thing. So I cut hair like...
Hold on, it's got on the bottom, it says 18 millimeters, 24 millimeters. Okay, go for it.
So I go like this way?
I don't know.
I really don't know how to use this thing. I will watch a video. Yes, it's on. Is this working? It's not cutting anything. Oh, yes, it's coming out. Okay.
Okay, to make me look horrible, it's not going to be good.
Oh, I know how to cut it now. Oh, wow. I think I cut it too much here. Okay, I will cut more on this side. Let me see. Yes, it's shorter now. It's not bad. I think I can cut your hair like every month. I will start your back because the back has a lot of hair. Wow, you have a lot of hair. Okay. Do you feel your hair is shorter now? No? Really?
Are you actually really cutting me?
Yes. Look at the floor. Let me look. Okay, I think it looks good. I'll just cut more. What are you doing? I'm cutting it. Oh, the back looks very neat. Do you need a mirror? Oh, do people like cutting like this way? Like doing... Do people do this way?
Yes, some people.
Okay, I will do it. It doesn't work.
The guard is too thick.
I think I will cut your hair shorter like here so you feel comfortable. You still has a lot of hair on the top. You want a lot of hair on your top, right? Okay, because maybe you are itchy here. I'll go
I'm not itchy.
Oh, okay. The back looks not bad. It looks good. Do you think I finished? Do you want me to cut more?
Is it all even around the bottom at least? It feels like you cut this and left all this hanging. It feels like I've got like a strip of here.
No, it looks good in the back.
Still very, very long.
Okay. I'll keep cutting.
Don't go too crazy on the top.
Oh. It's not crazy on the top. You have a lot of hair on the top. Okay. Let me see. It looks really good. Do you want a mirror? I can get you a mirror.
Keep going.
Okay. You have some extra hair. Do you want me to cut your hair?
I don't.
I think right here, it's short now. It's not cutting anything. You don't think? good. I'll look on your back. Back is still long. Right here is long. Do you feel the hair is shorter now? You feel your back.
I guess it feels somewhat shorter.
It's not cutting anything. Look, same like before. I think we need to change the shorter one.
Why do I have hair everywhere?
Let me see. I think here is too short. I will make both sides even. Here is long, you can feel it. Here is short, right?
Okay, if you're using this thing, then they should be the same length on both sides.
I will cut it more on this side. I don't know why here has so much hair and I can't cut it off.
I'm sure they're the same length on both sides.
It's getting better now, getting better now.
I don't feel it cutting anything off over there.
Yes, because they look just a little bit. I need to change the media.
No.
And let me check the media.
No.
It's still long. I can't cut anything off now. But it's still long. Do you want me to cut? It's good. It's good.
You could try to make the bottom of the hair even. And so you see how the hair
Oh, then I will
goes
use
over the ears.
scissors.
You've got to go around it like that.
Okay, I will use scissors.
Yeah, I think trying to go around it like that with scissors. Ugh. No scissors near my ears.
Only scissors can do this. It's just a little bit. Let me cut. Let me cut. I will be careful.
Hold on.
This way, right? It's safer to do this way. Look, I will do like this and I will cut. Do you feel like it's gone?
Okay, sweetie, that's wonderful. Now, can I finish telling you how I was explaining to you?
Yes.
If we take this off, this is what the barber does every time I go to town.
Oh.
He takes this off, okay? And if you go like that,
Oh.
okay, and then he can, like right here on the edges.
Okay, I know it now.
You go around and you make a nice bottom on it, okay?
The highest is fattest.
Maybe it's not fast, it's the length of it. It's moving the cutters up and down.
Oh,
see?
I see.
Just put it there, go around and see what happens. Don't cut me, please.
I have never do this.
And look, on the sides here, you got to make them even on the both sides.
Okay, let's try if I can do this. Okay, it's my first time doing this. You here like this.
No, don't pull the hair this way and that. You take the thing and make it go straight down and then just work your way around.
I'm afraid I will cut your ear. Let me do it.
That feels awfully high. Eddie, what I'm saying is just cut it straight across. Not up here, sweetie. I don't want to look like some sort of skinhead person. Just like...
Oh, okay. I got it.
No. We're going to go to the bathroom. I'll go in there.
I will take you a mirror because you got hair all over.
You know what? It's probably easy. Why don't you start on the back to get some practice? Because there's no ear in the way. You can start in the back. You can get all the way around. Easily all the way around, and you're only going to have problems up here on the edge.
Okay.
Is it all combed straight down?
Yes, it's all.
Okay.
Okay, go this.
Baby, it's just like at the very edge. Just the very edge. Do you understand?
Yes. Do you feel it's good?
The right answer is yes. It's wonderful.
Is there too long? You want me to cut it even shorter?
Baby, at this point, just do something.
I don't know how to cut it now.
I know you don't, baby. You're not a hair cutter. Just go around, baby. It's long here.
Okay. I will use comb to comb it straight down. I will cut it off. Okay. Do you feel it's better now? Just use scissors. Okay. It's off now. What do you think?
It's wonderful. Now, you got to do this side too to match.
Okay, okay. It looks not bad. Do you feel it looks not bad?
Baby, yes, baby. I feel that it looks wonderful.
I didn't cut too much. I just cut your side, the back. I didn't cut your top. Do you want me keep cutting or it's done?
No, it's done. You need to stop. Stop when you've reached perfection. Stop when it's perfect, baby. Keep working after you've already reached perfection. You just mess
I
it
feel
up.
like this side still looks long. Do you need a mirror?
No, I trust everything you do.
Really?
Yes, I trust it's perfect.
I think you look younger now.
Okay,
Do you want to take a shower? I got a little bit bands in the front.
are we done?
Yes, we're done. It's not bad. Here's the wall. Let me do this. Oh, did it hurt?
Did what hurt?
The knuckle. I will sweep the floor.
And the curtains.
Do you like your hair? Look, let's see.
Can
Your
they actually
hair?
see my hair?
Yes, yes. And see the back. See the back. It looks really good. Look, the hair I cut looks really good. And the front, not too short. Do you like your hair?
I don't know. Does it have my Superman curl?
Yes, it's got the Superman curl.
Then I like my hair. Does it stick up over here? Is it too long and too short and
It's
not even? Not bad for the first time. Yeah, it's
not bad.
better than $7 at Great Clips, right?
Yes.
Okay, sweetie. Can we go out to dinner now?
Okay, we will go out for dinner now.
See, it's got my Superman curl.
Yes, Superman curl.
Superman glasses. Hi.
You look cute.
You're not supposed to recognize me because I put my Superman glasses on. See? Superman. Mild-mannered reporter. Mild-mannered reporter. Superman. Mild-mannered reporter. Superman. Mild-mannered reporter. Why are you hugging somebody you don't know? You're not playing along. You're supposed to not recognize me. But I'm Superman.
Do you like my hair? Do you like my haircut?
I love you.
Did you like it?
I love you.
You don't like it?
I love your hair, sweetie. Your hair's wonderful.
Okay, I'm super hungry. We will go eat dinner. Bye.
Mild-mannered reporter. Superman. Mild-mannered reporter. Superman. Mild-mannered reporter. Superman.